In this video, we will be learning about adding and subtracting fractions. We will start off by adding some simple fractions. The first problem is 8 plus 1 over 5. First, we need to start by adding a 1 underneath the 8, since it is a whole number. Next, we will need to get the denominator the same number as 1 over 5, so we will multiply 5 by the numerator and the denominator. This should give you 40 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Now, since the denominators are the same, from that you should get 41 over 5. Now we need to change this improper fraction into a mixed number. So doing that, you will need to divide 41 by 5. That will be 8 times, giving you 8 with 1 over 5. Now the next problem is a little bit similar. We have 2 plus 1 over 3 with 3 over 7. So now first we'll need to add a 1 underneath the 2, making it 2 plus 1 with 3 over 7. Next we need to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. The way you do that is you multiply the 1 with the 7 and then add that number to the top, giving you the right answer, giving you the improper fraction. So now doing that would give us 10 over 7. Since we multiplied 1 with 7, which gives you 7, and then adding that to 3 gives you 10. Now we need to make the denominators the same on the other side, so we will need to multiply 7 on the denominator and the numerator, giving you 14 over 7 plus 10 over 7. In the end, giving you 24 over 7. Now to change this improper fraction into a mixed number, you need to do the same thing as last time. So if it goes into 24 3 times, and leaving you 3 over 7, my bad. Now, that is the answer for both of your questions. Now, for subtracting fractions, move these up. We're almost doing the same thing. For this first one, we have the 8 minus 4, 4.5. So, you will need to put the 1 underneath the 8, like last time. And then when, like we did with the mixed number last time, to turn it into an improper fraction, multiply the mixed number with the denominator, giving you 8. Then add the top number, which would be 9. So you have 9 over 2. Now we need to get the denominator on the other side the same. So we multiply 2 with the numerator and the denominator again, giving us 16 over 2 minus 9 over 2. Then subtract, giving you 7 over 2. Now to change this improper fraction to a mixed number, same thing as last time. 2 goes into 7 3 times, giving you 3 1/2. Now for the next one, we have 1 7/8 minus 3 over 2. So now, change it into an improper fraction. 1 times 8 equals 8, plus 7 equals 15. So 15 over 8 minus 3 over 2. Now we need to get the denominators the same. You multiply by 4, so that way you can turn the 2 into an 8. Gives you 15 over 8 minus 12 over 8. In the end, leaving you the number of 3 over 8. And since it's not an improper fraction, that is your final answer. And that is how you add and subtract fractions.